Most people see leather as a finished product, a jacket, a bag, a pair of boots. What they don't see.
Today, we're taking you inside a modern bison leather factory, where one of the toughest animal hides on Earth is
In this state-of-the-art facility, byproducts like these hides are tracked and processed for reuse, minimizing waste.
There is a slight scarring here.
Oh, I see it. It affects the grade.
Soaked and supple, these hides represent the pinnacle of our craft, their deep, rich tones signaling their readiness for the next step.
Is where the true transformation begins. The raw hide, cleansed and limed, awaits its new purpose.
This extreme macro view reveals the intricate network of collagen fibers within the limed hide, crucial for its strength. The raw hides are split with surgical precision, revealing the inner layers. Experience the unparalleled richness of our top-grain bison leather, meticulously crafted for enduring quality.
Here we separate the lower hide layers, ensuring maximum sustainable utilization. These stacks are clearly marked for suede and bonded leather production.
The pH levels are stabilised on drum 3.
Good. Let's increase the rotation speed by 5%.
We should be good to increase the speed now. Yeah, temperature readings are stable on the tablet.
The next time you see a piece of bison leather, remember, it's not just material, it's science, it's